सनबर्न फेस्टिवल जे नॉर्थाक सावन सावथाक शिफ्ट करूंक सोदतात ताचे बाबतींत हे शिफ्ट करूंक सोदतात ताचे साउथ गोवन से नो टू सनबर्न. तर आमी हे सनबर्नाक नो कित्याक म्हणटा? बिकॉज they are excessive noise pollution which disrupts our communities आणि ते कायदे पाळिनात. आता ते कायदे पाळिनात म्हणून कोण सांगता? इवन हायकोर्ट. आता हायकोर्टाचोच एक स्टेटमेंट तुमच्या मुखार दवरता. हायकोर्ट सेज breaches or violation repeatedly occurred on all 3 days of the festival as per Goa State Pollution Control Board report. And still that Goa State Pollution Control Board nor the police were able to do anything about it. And this is from High Court. And I hope this is enough evidence to know why we oppose this Sunburn festival.
You see, we have come together with Goyche, fudle, pillge, khatir because we are concerned about our youth, and so are we. We are seniors now, many of us are seniors now. We have our own children, and we don't want this sort of festivals to take place in Goa.